Hello beauties and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of a skincare initiative, a credible technique that I personally love and use daily, red light therapy. So what exactly is this buzzworthy treatment? What does it do for your skin? Come on, let's shed some light on it. Red light therapy is also known as low-level laser therapy. It utilizes wavelengths of red light to penetrate the skin surface without causing any harm. This light energy is absorbed by the skin cells, stimulating the rejuvenation and repair process in our skin, giving your skin a power up from within. Now, what are some of the benefits of red light therapy, you ask? The one that it's known for most is it boosts your collagen production. So red light therapy triggers collagen and elasticity production in your skin, enhancing skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles and fine lines. It's also well known for skin healing and repair as it accelerates healing in your skin. So it's perfect for people with post-inflammatory acne scars or wounds, as it's going to give you a quicker recovery time, which is perfect. It also reduces inflammation. So if you're somebody that has like a skin condition like rosacea or psoriasis, this is perfect for you, as it's going to bring down that inflammation that's in your skin. So how does it benefit your skin? Imagine having a non-invasive, painless treatment that can offer you youthful, radiant skin. Red light therapy is exactly that. It is not a fad. It is scientifically backed to transform your skin. Honestly, it's a game changer and it's great for all skin types. Anybody can use this. I personally use this and I think you need to use this in your skincare routine. So, have you tried it? Let us know in the comments below. I'm curious to hear what you're using if you've had it before. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more secrets and tips. Until next time, glow on.